hopefully now you have a little bit of a better idea what 3D Experience platform is. And the reason why it's so important for me to talk about it is, what does AI need? AI needs a ton of data, and it needs a ton of computing power. Something that nobody in this room is going to invest in for your own businesses. So getting to the platform gives you those capabilities. So how do you access the platform? So anybody in the room know what cloud services is? One? Couple? Yeah, okay. So for those that don't, cloud services, well, let's start with what we know again. Okay, so let's start with SOLIDWORKS design. Whether it's standard, pro, or premium, doesn't matter. As of July of 2023, every new seat that you bought came with cloud services. Maybe you didn't know, maybe you just forgot that you could activate this. But by activating it is what really opens you up to the 3D Experience platform. Okay? And it doesn't mean, like, if you guys are, how many PDM users? A lot, yeah. PDM's awesome. It's fun. There's no reason why you still can't take advantage of a lot of stuff up here in the platform. Okay? A lot of people make the mistake of thinking the 3D Experience platform is a data management tool. Yes, we have data management in it, but it's a platform of technology, and there's a lot of other things that you may want to take advantage of before you decide to maybe go move your data up there. So cloud services includes these roles. And I'm not going to get into the whole role conversation, but that's how we sell the platform. The smaller chunks of information or apps that you want for your different users in your company. So you get the collaborative, you get really PLM level PDM with your cloud services that come with your SOLIDWORKS, even SOLIDWORKS Standard. Okay? It also comes with one of our Delmia family roles, the NC Shop Floor Programmer for CNC programming.